Hey guys, okay, so we made a dovetail joint, or at least a piece of the joint itself. We got the 10-degree angle, which is going to be pretty good for this size sign. 10 to 14 degrees is what we want to do for laser cutting. And I have this sign blank laid out. It is 36 by 13, and it will not fit on my laser. My laser is only 20 inches. So what I need to do is cut this in half, put the dovetail joints in so that when I go to cut it on the laser, everything fits snug together and I can do it in two pieces. I also want to remember that this is going to have an interior piece over this side. So I want to put the dovetail somewhere where it is going to actually hide it when I build the sign itself. So it's going to kind of look like this sign here. Don't judge, this is AI created, but I wanted to at least show you guys kind of what we're looking at, right? We've got this back plate. We need to do some dovetails in here to put the face plate over and hide it. And then we'll probably use a little bit of wood glue and sanding to hide this seam right here. But so by doing this, I need to make sure that I go ahead and do a real quick offset. So I'm going to go to my offset tool, and I'm going to come in on this inward by an inch all the way around. That way I've got this nice border that we see here, and I'm going to hit OK. This is the actual piece I'm going to be working with to set up my dovetails. Now I'm going to grab this guy here. I'm going to rotate him around, and I'm going to pull him down into this spot here. And I don't mind getting fairly close. I am going to just then click both of these and center it up. Then I'm going to click on this little guy again. You know, it's hard to see if you're watching this on TikTok. And I'm going to use my array tool. And I'm going to array this down. I want, let's say I want 6 rows. Oh, I'm going back. 6 rows. And I want them all to be spaced about an inch apart. That's actually going to give me 7. I think I'm good there. 7 inch apart. I'm going to hit OK. Now I've got these. I'm going to make sure that they're grouped. Control G. I'm going to grab this interior again and go C to center, E to center horizontally, and that way I know everything is evenly spaced. Now we need to remove this guy just for now, because this is the back plate that we're actually working with. So I need to cut this in half. The way I'm going to do this is I am going to make a duplicate of this guy, Control D, and I'm going to just roll him up here. I'm going to go up here to my math, say 36 divided by 2. Oops, let's try this again. 36 divided by 2. Again, I don't like doing math. I'm pretty lazy. So now I've got an 18 inch